Hey there guys, thanks again for tuning in here with the Crazy Cricketeer. Today I'm going to make something, it's like a no kidding kind of thing. I'm going to make my own logo. But I wanted to show you guys something really fast. So basically this is I already made my design here on the canvas. This is what it's going to look like. But as I was making it, I was like, okay, I'm going to do two different colors. So there's this white square right here, which I'm actually going to turn. We'll do yellow for you guys so you can see it better. There you go. And then you can just highlight both of them, do the line in the center, and it centers them both, so you can see how it's gonna look. So I sized it exactly how I want. I'm gonna have to do 4 by 2.61 just to make it even, and then that's basically what I'm gonna do. But I wanted to point out to you guys that you don't have to stick to the exact same colors that you pick on here. Like, the Cricut's not going to scan and go, whoa, wait, home slice, you said yellow, this is not yellow, I'm not going to cut that. It's going to cut whatever you put in that specific space. So there's this, I'll show you that right now. We'll make it down here, that my yellow mat is there, all the way up here in the corner. My black mat is here. I'm going to drop it down here just below 5, because that's where I put it on my my Cricut cutting mat thing. So there's that. So I'll show you this right now. So as I said, I'm not doing yellow. I'm doing this like holographic-y kind of really cool vinyl that we have, and then I'm doing black right here. So I'm not yellow, like holographically, and then black. So like I said, the Cricut's not going to stop and say, well, wait, that's not yellow. It's just going to cut whatever you put in that yellow spot, or in whatever color you choose. So we're going to connect the Cricut now via the Bluetooth, and then we'll go from there. There it is. Okay. So what I always like to do is I like to pull this out, and I like to make sure that my blade is clean, which it is not. Look at that. You can't see it probably. Oh well. Had a little piece of vinyl on there from the last project I did. Good times were had. Gonna set the vinyls, remember my settings, and then booyah. And then it's gonna cut it all out like usual. Today I'm actually making this for a customer who really liked the mask that my wife made. So she actually is a nurse at my doctor's office that I go to. Of course, I'm not a doctor, but she saw my mask and she's like, wow, I really love that mask. Where did you get it? And I said, well, funny story, my wife actually made it. So she's like, can I order one from you, pretty please? Cherries on top and all that stuff. And I said, sure, why not? I'll do a video on the mask making process and all that later, but it's a pretty cool looking mask, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to make her one of the stickers for the Crazy Cricketeer, since that's the name that is associated with our mask as well. So I figured, hey, why not? That'd be kind of cool. Let's do it. So we're doing it. Looks pretty awesome. The vinyl started to lift there for a second. I was like, oh no. So it looks like maybe one of my little pieces of vinyl came off, and we'll see if it's stuck on my blade, and it's not. Good. That should help for the next time I cut something. Oh, sorry. Sometimes if it pops off right here, it'll like move over here, move over there, something like that. There's a piece right there. And then, like, I found them up here before. Good times. Okay, let's get the weed in this puppy out. I'm gonna Get rid of that, turn this off. Thank you, Cricut, you're awesome. So I'm sure I've said this at least once. I like to keep the picture of what I'm weeding out up here on my iPad here. That way I can see, oh, okay, that part is supposed to be here, or that part's not supposed to be here. Oh, what did I do there? Okay, my goodness, how am I going to make this work? So just what I like to do. And it looks like I messed up just a smidge when I did my thing. Because if you can see right here, you can't see that. Hold on. See right here, the line isn't completely all the way on this side, and so when it cut it out, it made it to where this whole top piece right here was the same piece, and this whole bottom piece is different. So if I weed out right now, this outside piece that is supposed to come off, it's going to weed out all the stuff that I want to weed out anyways, but I don't think it's going to look as good. It might not come out as clean. So I'm going to take my razor blade, do a little cut there, just to make sure it all comes out nice and neatly. So let's see here. I have all my Cricut tools over here in the cabinet next to me, just to make it more easily accessible and out of the way of my 5-year-old, so she doesn't get a hold of any of it, because some of this stuff is kind of pokey. Especially that razor blade. Oh man, that would hurt like no one's business, huh? Missing a finger or two. I've almost cut off my finger with that thing a couple times, and whew, yeah, that was not fun. Yeah. Looks like I didn't cut that all the way. There we go. So I like to usually, I've liked to try and use the holographic one for really cool things, like cutting all the little stuff, intricate stuff like this out on here, and having the background of it a solid color. But what I found out is it's really hard sometimes, because this holographic stuff for some reason doesn't always cut all the way through, or if it does cut all the way through, one little part might be caught, and when you're weeding it out, it'll rip the entire corner off, and you're like, oh no! So it's not good. So I like to, I've started using the holographic stuff as a background piece instead of a front piece with all the actual decoration stuff on it, all the very intricate cuts. I like to just keep on my flat colors or my normal colors, and then use my holographic as my background. Just me though. Like I've done a few projects. I think I posted one of my friend's logo that I made him. He loved it, by the way. But yeah, it was not pretty. Like I think I stopped recording myself weeding it out because it was taking forever, and all you saw was like the back of my head, because I had to get really down close to it, so I didn't mess up the rest of the sticker, because it was just a hard time to do it. I was like, no, just work for me, please. And well, I guess it goes without saying, it didn't really want to work for me. So yeah, I say good times, but it really wasn't. It was pretty bad times, actually. A lot of stress over a sticker. just saw, I just put on the transfer paper, or tape, whatever it's called, and now I'm going to move this one to on top of this one so you can still see the holographic through this. It's going to be pretty cool. I've made a couple of stickers like this already, and I'm very proud of how this turns out. And I really like it. I think it looks great, but I almost forgot. Where is my paper? Where is my super suit? Oh wait, not quite. So let's see here. So there's that, and then I'm gonna kind of spin this a little bit so I can get a good angle. And I like to make sure it's at least mostly even. That looks kind of dark, doesn't it? But you know what? It's gonna look great, because check this out. Oh, that looks sick. So the CC stands for, of course, Crazy Cricketeer, and then Cricketeer, you have the swords and like the musketeer hat, right? Isn't that sick? Man, that's cool. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna mail this off with the mask that we make, and I'll do a little tutorial, little video on how we make the mask as well, because I'm sure someone out there likes masks or wants a comfortable mask. Our mask is really cool because it doesn't touch your mouth while you're talking or when you're wearing it, and it just sticks out just far enough, and it's actually really comfortable. So anyways, I'll post something on that here probably in a couple days. But until then guys, thanks for watching the Crazy Cricketeer, and I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll have some more stuff with this awesome stickers later. Thank you, and have a great day.